Hey guys, my name is Liam for Gone Jeepin', and this is Gary, right?
Yep, Gary Schmidt.
We have a really cool Jeep behind us, and this is your Jeep. Want to tell us a little bit about it?
It's a 1962 Willys Jeep Utility Wagon, purchased by my father in 1964. I'm the youngest of the children who learned to drive in it, hunted in it, drove it to high school. Still has my University of Florida parking sticker on the back bumper, showing it having it reclaimed.
That is awesome. Well, let's take a look at it.
We're full-time RVers, and we had to have a highway-worthy vehicle, so we made the hard decision to Resto-Mod the Willys. We took the body off and did a body-off restoration of the body and put it on a 2005 Wrangler TJ. The body is fully authentic, except one change was made, and that was the seat upholstery selection. We decided to go with a tan to show off it matched the oak floor strips throughout the Jeep.
All right, now without telling us, you want to pop the hood and show us what's hiding under there? So anyone who's seen a TJ or an XJ or, well, a heck of a lot of Jeeps would recognize that this is a 4-liter inline 6, which is not original to this vehicle, like you just said. This is basically a TJ in the mechanicals. That is really cool. So what made you choose this specific powertrain over anything else?
Well, it's the nearest that would match the Willys Utility Jeep. Came within 3/4 of an inch of wheelbase, and we mirrored the project by the Jeep Corporation themselves in 2004. They took a 2004 TJ and put it under a 62 utility wagon.
Very cool. So you figured it could be done.
Yeah. Well, we ran into surprises, but we worked our way through them.
Well, that's great. Let's take a look on the inside.
We have the original owner's manual on the seat. And there's a picture when my father purchased it, 1964.
That is just wonderful.
Recognize the Wrangler's suspended pedals instead of the Willys through the floor pedals.
Oh yeah, look at that.
And the Wrangler gear shifts are much farther back than the Willys. They were up front and leaned backward toward the driver.
Just a couple things that a really keen eye would have to pick up on to know that you did some fun modification. You said the upholstery is all new?
Yeah, the upholstery, original upholstery is this green basket weave, which is now about $90 a square yard. We found this material, which was very inexpensive. We liked it because it showed off the oak flooring.
Look at that. That color just pops. I absolutely love it.
Original colors, fountain green and plantation white.
Plantation white. Now you were saying on the back here there's a sticker, right? We got to take a look at that. So this sticker down here, you're telling me, campus resident, this is you, right?
Yeah.
And so like you were saying, this Jeep has been with you for what, your whole life?
Yeah, well,
most of it?
That was my birth year. My father purchased it in '64. That's our county. 1962. That's our county. That's my birth year.
That is awesome.
I used to collect tags when I was a kid. That came off of one of our family cars.
All right. Now, I always ask people the same question. You already answered it. You know, what makes this Jeep yours? And I think the answer to that is, it's yours. This is so cool. You got a couple of pictures here on the glove box. What is this right here?
Now the lower right corner is our wedding in 1979, and the upper right corner is my son's wedding in November of 2020.
Wow, look at that. All right guys, this is Debbie and Gary, and this is their, you said 62? Willys Utility Wagon, and it is absolutely phenomenal, and it's got a couple of secrets too. Thank you so much for showing this to me. I'm really excited to share this with everyone else. And this is not the only one that we do. We're going to have a lot of walkarounds, especially from the Toledo Jeep Fest this year, on Gone Jeepin', so be sure to subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye.